Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Surat location. It is from Gujarat. I am going to provide all the links in the description box to apply for these job roles mentioned in this video. If you want to apply, you can easily apply from there. Coming to the video, there is a job opening for the user interface designer. It is from IX Design. For this position, the qualifications will include like you have prior experience as a UI designer as well as a strong portfolio of related projects, and you should have proven past experience in website design, SaaS dashboard design, and mobile application design is a must. And you should have strong proficiency in Figma and Adobe Creative Suite, and you have to pay strong attention to detail and have a keen eye for aesthetics. These are some requirements for this position. And if you see the responsibilities like taking design briefs to understand requirements, translating requirements into style guides, design systems, design patterns, and attractive user interfaces, and creating a visualization of screens within a portfolio framework, and identifying design problems and devising an elegant solution. These are some responsibilities included here for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through them. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for the digital marketing interns. It is from Sushant Infotech. And if you see the internship requirements, like you have to be available for full-time internship, and you are available for duration of 4 months, and you should have relevant skills and interests. And if you see the other requirements, like you should be a college junior or senior or recent college graduate, and you should have strong work ethics and having idea about SEO, ASO, and SMM, and information about app business, social media platforms, and best practices. And you should have basic skills in including Windows Office and Adobe Photoshop, and you should have strong writing skills and good with market research. These are some other requirements for this internship. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this internship, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the search engine optimization executive. It is from Underscore. For this position, freshers are welcome, and you have to understand English language, and you should be aware of SEO techniques. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is job opening for the online sales specialist. It is from Rains Pharma. And if you see the skill sets required for this position, you should have good experience of listing and order processing on Amazon or Flipkart or Meesho or Tata 1mz or Snapdeal and other e-commerce websites. And you have to the ability of decision making and a sense of responsibility, and you must be highly skilled in dealing financial and numeric data, and you have to know everything about e-commerce websites, and you should be confident and with telephonic or mail conversations. These are some skills required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the sales executive. It is from Prettier. And if you see the job responsibilities, like meeting with the right prospects and demonstrating company's ERP software or app, and establishing new business, and negotiating and closing the deals, working towards monthly targets, managing and retaining relationships with existing clients. These are some responsibilities I have provided here. And if you see the requirements, like you have to be self-motivated and driven by targets, and you should have strong communicational skills including both verbal and written, and the ability to influence and negotiate with others, and you should have IT skills and numerical skills. These are some requirements for this position. Interested candidates can please go through it. Next one, there is a job opening for the content lead. It is from Mirchi. And if you see the key responsibilities for this position, like you have to manage the soundscape of this station through appropriate creative and marketing interventions to increase or maintain the internship, and acts as an interface between programming and sales team, thereby supporting the sales team by providing creative inputs in order to increase the overall ad spends by clients. These are some major responsibilities for this position. And if you see the technical skills and qualifications required, like you should have a graduation or a post graduation along with 7 to 10 years of experience, and you must be well read in variety of areas and has to keep up with the latest events in the city or country, and you should have knowledge of local languages, and you should have experience in digital content conceptualization. These are some skills and qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through the details mentioned here. Next one, there is a job opening for the React.js developer. It is from Tallybees and it is a Coursecate company. And if you see job responsibilities, like meeting with the development team to discuss user interface ideas and applications, reviewing application requirements and interface designs, identifying web-based user interactions, developing and implementing highly responsive user interface components using React concepts, and you should have writing application interface codes using JavaScript following React.js workflows, and troubleshooting interface software and debugging application codes. And some more responsibilities are also mentioned here. You please check once. Interested candidates, for more detailed information about this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for the assistant manager, credit cards RBL co-brand, and it is from Bajaj Finserv. And if you see the job duties and key responsibilities for this position, like writing content for credit cards on various digital assets, and interacting with the marketing and the SEO team to update the current content, keeping in mind SEO ranking and the search traffic on the credit card related pages, and digital assets are a major acquisition channel for the company, ensuring relevant officers and CTS to be updated timely, considering the amount of lead flow. These are some duties and responsibilities for this position. And if you see the educational qualifications required, like you should have PCDM or MBA in marketing, and you should have relevant work experience, and you should have 1 to 2 years of experience in content writing or branding. These are some qualifications required for this position. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for the business development executive. It is from Milzo. And if you see the job requirements, like you should have a bachelor's degree in marketing, business or a related field, and you should have proven work experience as a sales and marketing executive, and you should have high level of communication and networking skills, and a passion for sales and answering customer queries, and collect data and prepare sales reports, and you should have network connection and understanding of commercial trends and marketing strategies, and ability to negotiate and understanding of marketing skills, and you should have experience in IT or architect. These are some requirements for this job portion. Interested candidates, you can please go through it. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.